How to screenshot on your Galaxy A16 phone with the Android 15 update. So if you want to know how to screenshot, you're new to Samsung phones, you just got an A16. The basic way and the usual way to do this is by pressing down on the volume down button, which is this one here, and the power button together at the same time and quickly. You're not going to hold it down. So simply now just go ahead and press them two down together one time and release it quickly like this. And this is going to happen like that. So that's the basic way using the volume keys like this. Now, the other way you can do this is by going into the settings, go here, use the search and type in the words palm, and you'll see palm swipe to capture. When you see this here, go ahead and turn it on. Make sure it's turned on. And now you'll just take your palm like this here, like a gentle swipe on the display like that, and that's gonna also let you screenshot. So that's the two ways you can screenshot on your Samsung phone as the easiest way possible. Like and sub.